Exercise 6.3, question number 7. In figure 6.38 of the NCERT book, altitude AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at point P. Show that. Now there are 4 parts we have to show. Triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP. Triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE. Triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB, and fourth one, triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. All the 4 parts are to be done with the same pattern, same criteria, that is angle criteria. So I'm going to solve the first part for you, and the remaining 3 parts you can do yourself, as they all are to be done with the same method. So let us take the first part, proof. What the first one? In triangle AEP and triangle CDP. Now in such questions which are to be solved by angle criteria, the idea to solve this similarity is start the triangle from that point which is not in use, where angle is not related, and go to the other vertex where angle are to be taken equal. Like here, in triangle AEP, E is 90 degree and P is equal to this angle which is vertically opposite. So the order is angle A and angle C, no information about them. Angle E and angle P are each 90 degree, and angle P is equal to angle P, that is vertically opposite angle. So the order is AEP and here CDP. In triangle AEP and triangle CDP, angle E is equal to angle D. E is equal to D. Both are 90 degree each, which is given to us. And angle APE is equal to angle CPD. Vertically opposite angles. You can number them also if you don't want to use these full letters. So in this way, triangle AEP and triangle CDP, we have this angle which is equal to this angle, 90 degree given to us, and this angle is equal to this angle, vertically opposite angle. So we can say that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP by angle criteria. Okay, so I have done the first part for you. The remaining 3 parts also you can do in the same way. You have to just keep one thing in mind, that the order of similarity should not change. Okay, you can go in any order, but make sure that the order of first triangle should match with the order of the second triangle. Okay, so try to solve this.